This video is going to show how to import, simulate, and export a WAV audio file in PSpice Designer. While audio circuitry can be simulated with a simple sine or square wave, this doesn't give the designer any idea of how the output will sound. New in PSpice 23.1 is the ability to import WAV audio files for simulation and export files for preview. Let's start by creating a WAV source in the schematic. Select Place, Component from the menu to open the Component Explorer tab. In the Categories list, expand PSpice, Source, Independent Sources, and select Voltage Source. Select WAV Source, right-click and select Place. Click to place the source on the input net. Right-click and select End Mode. Now let's define a WAV file for the source to use. Before the source generates any useful data, a WAV file must be loaded. Double-click the WAV file field to define the file. Enter ..//upbeat.wave into the value field. This tells the program to look for the WAV file 3 folders up. Click OK to assign the file path. Now we can create a simulation profile to run the simulation. To do this, select PSpice New Simulation Profile from the menu. Name the simulation profile and click Create. If the Simulation Manager Product Choices window opens, select the appropriate license and click OK. Since this WAV file is 9 seconds long, set the run-to time to 9 to run the simulation for 9 seconds. In your own designs, adjust this value to be the length of the file you are using. Select the Voltage Level Marker button from the toolbar to place simulation probes. Click to place probes at the in and out nets, then right-click and select End Mode. With the simulation parameters defined, the simulation can be run. Select PSpice Run from the menu. When the simulation finishes, a large data file warning appears. Select Ignore this warning and click OK to ignore the warning and show the results. VIN shows an audio signal, and VOUT shows an amplified version of the signal. In addition to importing an external audio file, PSpice can save a processed audio file to fully simulate an audio processing circuit. Back in the schematic canvas, select Place Text from the menu. In the Place Text window, enter the provided text to output a WAV file from the simulation. In this example, we will create a WAV file with 32 bits per sample and a sample rate of 44.1 kHz. Click OK and click to place the text in the schematic canvas. Right-click and select End Mode. To create the file, we need to run the simulation again. Select PSpice Run from the menu. In the Large Data File window, select Ignore this warning and click OK. The audio waveforms appear as before. To access the saved file, browse to the working directory. The saved file is listed as upbeat amplified.wav. To hear the result, open the file in your preferred media player. Bass Boost has been added. Quickly import and export WAV files to accurately simulate audio circuitry in PSpice Designer 23.1. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eda.com, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.